viewers, welcome again to another edition of your favorite program called Talk to the Camera with me, Kona Sise. When people normally can talk about COVID-19 effects, then can normally talk about people we get for do with children, women, and also business people them. But then today we can work to people with disability for talk to the chairman and the chair lady for help people with disability organization for make them talk about how COVID-19 don't bring different changes to them lives and what are the effects where it gets on them. Let we listen to them people here as they talk about the effects of COVID-19 to people with disability. Hello sir and welcome to this interview. You go please tell me your name and who that you be now this place.
Ishmael Kombagbori na my name, and I'm the chairperson for Help Empower Polo Persons Organization within a PWD close to the Pademba prison.
Right. As person when a chairman, you go tell me how long you don't take as chairman, and what thing you go get for tell me about this organization.
Well, I don't do as chairperson for 3 years, and we dey try for run for another election because the constitution will give mandate for 2 years. For 3 years, after 3 years, there must be another election. And this organization, a disabled people organization, when I DPO, a group of disabled people that we then come together in order for find means and solution for address them issues then like in terms of health, in terms of mobility, they will change crutches, in terms of shelter, because most of you there so it not be even slightly on place where then they carry and through this organization they fight for bill and body for them. So now some of them here we do advocacy more for we colleagues them DPO them.
Right. Una don't they do advocacy for our colleagues them, una they advocate on them behalf. But then what thing you go tell me about the major constraints where people with disability they face?
Wow, major constraint for people living with disability, especially the polio victims, them this suffer for shelter facility. Then most of you this is so some of you they will get woman they will get picking them and one great pan body, one great room will all sleep. We at least in actual fact sense enough for be so. So you see, and there are others who not even get pan body self for it on. Na cartoon and they prayed for it on. And not get side for it on. Then a major constraint added to the the other pandemic and now they get at the country. It don't even make sense. In fact, the landlord them say even as a disabled person get money in this country, they go in for rent. They're not agreeing for rent person with disability.
Why that they be?
Well, then say disabled people and get see the country where the people get that negative perceptions about persons with disability. If one person cause now, they not go try for find out and know the reason why made that person they react to them with the next thing with them they say disabled people are very stubborn. Look that man they cause and so they all day. So as then they get that conception they even there we go don't give them money and don't be losses and the rent give other people them. Disabled person we go for good and if you watch it so you know see now disabled, we tell you say no and then see. It's happening, and even some of we can't happen among them people like me. I know they beg, no nothing. I see to me was I not get the requirement no more for go up university, but I still on. But we self can't tap here because even we told me money I will go for go and I know we get the opportunity. So I just get for come along. We say we colleagues then they, yeah.
Okay, so how una colleagues them or others out there they able for become part of Unaya?
Wow, like I say again, in every society you get the good and the bad people. This organization we got a procedure. We all are disabled and we can help with colleagues that we didn't treat for come day close to we. If side they will give for bill pan body, but we get a rules and regulation. We get a procedure we they follow. One we don't want somebody we just they can even because it take us in a disabled all it lost for the drink check and misbehave. We not go take you. You the cause mommy cause or perform rudeness will not take you. In fact, we don't even drive others because of their attitude and this. So people all older than they are, I believe they are very decent people and law abiding people.
So the people that were there, don't know they pay any form of rent.
Then get some. They know they pay no rent anyway because we know they pay rent now. But the only constraint at this community, we not get water. Water no the pump no they very far from we. We dey get the lights and we dey get the rentage. No, we know the pay rent.
We don't talk about some challenge them way una the face, but let we talk about the effect where COVID-19 gets on people with disability.
From here now, nationally and internationally, the COVID-19 don't reverse things for persons with disability in different ways. Different ways. For example, the people that with them they do business, them business they know they function no more. Them business and they all don't scrap because the time COVID-19 will come out, the rumors around them that for touch person, use masks, anything, and they even do unnecessarily they sell people they free for go buy to them. And some of the are the result of that, waiting them they sell and then them business and they don't collapse. That are one of the major challenges then they get. Number two, people in humanitarian organizations they can't close to it and they rub skin with it. Get that they all long get that fairness, they come close to it again. You understand? Instead, if you get 5,000 for you now, they team 5 send and pay but they come close to it for like with the rub skin like how they do together, so that at least through the laugh or they forget about some stress and other things them. Then thing and they happen again. And another thing again we bring it's like hardship. It don't add more poverty to the disability community. More at the time, I tell you, most of them, majority of my colleagues, they beg on street for things for it. Majority, 90% of the membership of this organization, they beg on the street for getting for it. And we pray that things will able to change really. But the COVID-19 don't really bring some difficult situation for we. Even then when we go on the street, they get complain. The people when they go cry to for help, they even try for run away far from them for me and not go close to them because of social distance and other things. So you see.
You as chairman for this organization, when you get for know the complaints of your people there, how and in which channel where you can pass for bring them complaint there so cancel the people them we go bring solution?
Well, we get the channels, a procedure. We all the walk through. As a day as a chairperson, the first thing we make do first now counseling. Then we don't go get the challenge or neither don't get the stigma or that they try for counseling first. Talk to them in a way that they will able to understand and accept the facts for CS now because of social thing. And the second channel also we can use with the write letters to various institutions and we in charge. And for our health challenges, we get the right to the Ministry of Health and see how they can address the issues. Then, of course, we get the National Commission for Persons with Disability. We know another channel where we can send complaints. We also get the Sierra Leone Union on Disability issue. We now SLUDI. Now the umbrella body for all disabled organizations, all them small disabled groups. Now then are the major body for we all. So whatever challenges or difficulties we face, we complain to the rest can come in for see the role we then can play. At the end, we can go through the government ministry and the line ministry, we are the Ministry of Social Welfare as well.
So finally, what will be your message to the Ministry of Social Welfare as the chairman for this organization on behalf of you people?
Really, my message now that me they look at least life go better for after the post COVID-19 support from the government for disabled people. Let them come and empower some people with them fit and we able empower so that we will able to minimize the street begging. The one that we didn't do business, let them can support them. There where we them picking them in the go school don't drop. Even the education is free, but it has to do with other charges where the parent not able to afford. The picking not able to pay school fees, but if you not get the books, uniform money or you not get everyday lunch or provide, the picking not get for go school. So with all on challenges and they don't pick and they don't come out school, we dey talk to the line ministry, please. We dey look at for CC they able to plan a better livelihood project for persons with disability.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. God bless you.
Hello, my welcome to this interview. You go tell me your name, who that you be, and outside with this so.
My name is Takalo. I didn't plan about PWD. We organization name Help Empower Polo Persons Organization. EPO.
So how long this organization on day?
We done over 35 years now over there. Now we don't fund this organization.
35 years now. What you go get for tell me about the organization?
Well, you know, say as persons with disability, every people they remain in your organization. So back we decide say because some of you don't get mama again, we don't get papa again, we don't get no time for go. So now we live among we say now they feel fine. So now make we fund this organization for more day with ourselves. We not live with every people there because if person with disability go live with that man like you, now provoke. If they go meet toilet, they go say na. So that means understanding they don't go do. So I make we decide say all come together as one family. We make the organization.
So how things done they tell like for now? What you normally una constraints them?
Like now, you know, it's the COVID-19. So when they say lockdown, they go have bag with 250. Where the government of Sierra Leone, where they do, we appreciate her. But you know, really easy. You know, say some I get 5 picky there, some I get 6 picky there, some I get 2, some I get 3, and pass to go out and streets before you get a living. So you know, easy. And most of you now will ask skinny. Some man are blacksmith, some man are adversing. Like me, na business me they do. So, but I don't go depend on that business no more because if I say every day I go put the one block, me na woman. See me away chaka now. If I say every day they put it, you go down. They see me back in the street. So now for that point to make, we reserve, we go on street. The day better know they like now this time in the season. When we see I go pinch and eat her. But if I see no one another business and the paper, one way month it go down. Because picky the day, me back day, me your partner day. So we get for survive and I get for sick. So you know really easy.
You talk about COVID-19 where they now don't they struggle, you know, with an organization when you get for with COVID-19. But then you also mentioned say where una not get una can go out in the streets. And these are the times of COVID-19 and people get for they protect themselves, including una self get for they protect una self. So how una can do for meet with people and talk to them about una constraints?
Well, some people they don't want to give money. Then they church here and they send up at you because of the COVID-19. You understand? When COVID-19 on there, we get some big man where they're simple. We get some money woman where they're simple. Despite the COVID-19, they still talk to you. But no money, they shake well. Because they don't know your status. We don't know their status. So they get that social distance. When they want to give money, they send up away. They will take her. And so back with they protect yourself. Like, I show you my max. But when the max are decent to me, I make an order. We go there with they protect yourself. Now, street they can't go so now. I get me Gazi. I got for where? Make me body cover. So when I go down, I got for go buy max. I got for go buy that sanitizer for my hand. And make me company woman. Where they go? When you pass the good money, we they put on a one. We don't know how the pussy your status. So we they protect yourself.
This na rain season we dey inside. So how we can tell like for una during rain season?
In the season, not easy. It's not easy. We not get free medical. That's number one first. If first is sick now, go and come out. If we not get out, go there. A problem, no go treat her. So me like me, I be not decide say I need go come out hospital again because they know they treat handicap they wear. They say we get free medical, but we go come out, we not get free medical. So to me, not a free medical now. Because if you tell me say I get free medical, well, I go immediately the doctor for see me. Imagine an emergency, they can go na post away, then at the last condition for they die. Then pass the delay and say you go take paper there, in the post go die. The recent just lost one of we company. When na woman na make her out to see that you don't die. Tell them they can't go and come out. They not even church and the woman die. So the free medical for persons with disability, no they work. So me to me, not a free medical nanny.
So as chair lady for IPO, what you done they do and how you done they do for talk to you company woman them for they protect themselves for make them not get this sick called COVID-19?
Like me, Okay, what meeting we do, man? I dey get am in company. We dey meeting. We dey talk. I dey talk to them for more like we say because now when you elect policy, now they advise her. Now when you elect policy, now they tell her about waiting if I put to himself. When on the car, you don't go want no matter. The one go up for all. Now in your business. But I get concerned not all the from the company money, but for the man itself, we all they live now as one family. We dey live here as brothers and sisters. So I dey talk to me company man. Likewise the man. Every day chairman dey, I dey talk to the back. Like when this COVID-19 don't come, and they talk to them say, "Mo go dey use mask so no protect to say we don't clean. You want to food where they dey among we. Not say they go get water, pina before you now. Before person they enter for what's here, we soap and water. They use that sanitizer. If you, before they enter, you forget mask. Recently, because before COVID-19 be done less, now we don't stop. But when the COVID-19 don't come back, we dey start about by the grace of God.
So finally, what you go tell the ministry wey responsible for well body business na salon in regards to the challenge wey you raise?
Well, when I talk to the well body people there in the country, because they focus on the one where they team up, the one where they able too much. I want me to focus to person with disability because who might not know your earnings. God keep change my status 1 minute 1 second. So maybe move back when I'm when they say election, tell what they go vote. So when they say they can probably in the country, but there are more for focus man. And the capacity go bigger before ever get in living. If you don't go bigger, what's the expensive for go pull one block. If you go thief, they go put here. They go say they and all the thief. But I want me to focus so we baby as Montaman them because when they say election, they want to go vote. And they say because in a handicap, go sit on a corner. Now we they vote, now we they put before. So what as they put before, now they put before back. They put before. So that they pay attention to we daddy when and Solomon Jamiu. Do are the beggar for let focus with to this person with disability. Because na man and na man of God. We don't sabi for a long time they help and cabinet. So I want make it continue for help we. Now whether they donate they make them work home to home, when they can supply we back. So as you see the company and baby community, all kind of Tamania, not to bad, not so bad. But all kind and cabinet there. So make them focus to we. All over the country, where any disabled people they go supply they put it to understanding for the COVID-19 because try to have what TV, what Solomon Jamiu, where be the talk about the COVID-19. Go say na Bombay in the Wakare, where the communist police, you go say na Bombay, they talk to people there for me they use the masks there, make them wash their hands. So I may apply now to persons with disability. So back we go feel say we belong, they care for we.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Viewers, una sef don listen from the chairman and chairlady of Help Empower Polio Persons Organization as dem two people here don talk about the constraints where people with disability don dey face, especially when it gets to do with the health sector. And also they don talk about the challenge wey dem dey face ever since where COVID-19 come na salon. Dem people here dey send message to the ministry wey responsible for health business na salon say dem no for forget them as during time of election dem can force them for go vote, but when times like this come, they not can consider them at all. But first, them for put them front, not only when time reach for go vote, but also in matters like this. We bring the program count you today. My name na Kona Sise. Until we meet again to another edition of Talk to the Camera, I say tata.